All right.
Stop. Okay. So we're just going to try out some Risk of Rain. It's just going to be us
First
two,
attempt.
basically. So the only thing I know is you kill, level up, buy stuff, and
Okay.
you find a teleporter and kill the boss. All right, now we choose our character. Wait, okay, yeah, you're supposed to be here. Yep, there you are.
There
We only
I am.
have one character.
Whoa, what is going on? What is all this?
Yeah, so this tells you about
Cards
like your
warrior.
skills and your abilities and your loadout, basically.
Let's see. Firing a piercing bullet. Okay. Then it could roll and then fire
This,
rapidly.
yep. So I honestly
So
don't know how to play this
difficulty?
at all.
You want to put difficulty to low? Drizzle?
You want me to?
I think that'll be best.
All right, we can do a little bit of a drizzle. The difficulty increases by the more time that we start playing. Yeah, you have to exit with Oh God!
Oh, cool.
All right, they're above us. I fell off the map. Oh, I'm
I'll
back.
get back. Okay, so R. Shoot
Ooh.
multiple bullets.
Oh.
Ow. These things are annoying.
Oh God! Sprint is control. We need to swap up
What
our
is that?
controls a little bit.
Oh my god. I keep on pressing R to reload.
I know. All right, I'm gonna purchase one of these. Here we go. Ooh,
That capsule?
energy drink. I sprint faster. Well, that's good, even though I can't click it.
$34.
Do you have the? Look in your
What
top
is
left.
it?
It should tell you how much you have.
Yeah, I got enough. Random. Soldier's syringe increases attack speed.
So basically, one of the goals of this game is just to explore.
And we better hurry too, the difficulty's gonna rise.
Oh yeah, be on the lookout for things called drones.
So where's this teleporter we're supposed to be looking for?
Don't know. It spawns at random. Everything is randomly generated, so runs will never be the same. Oh, Kevin, we're idiots.
Oh, there it is.
You want to activate it? Go and get out of here.
Let's get out
No.
of here. Huh. Shoot
You
the
wanted
red
this.
thing.
Woohoo! Okay, now the boss
Nice.
will start dropping loot. We can pick it up. All right, it's charged. Let's get out of here. Run away! Wetland aspect.
Ooh.
Hey Kevin, I now have double jump.
Dang, that's actually really good.
Yeah, for a game like this, it actually is.
And transfer into a speeding while doing.
Kevin. Whoa! That's cool. What ability is that?
I don't know. This is Dragon Egg ability.
Oh, that's cool. Oh no. All right. Do you want to see what my ultimate is?
Yes.
Okay, let's fight the boss. I'll show you. All right, getting up on higher ground. Yep. Eat. Eat missiles. Where do my missiles go? So my missiles didn't work. Oh my god. All right, let's just get out of here. Let's just get out of here.
Yep.
Cool guys don't look at explosions. Ow.
You saw that?
Yeah,
The jellyfish.
I'll still win.
$106.
Oh yeah, it starts getting more and more expensive.
Bet this thing has rare items.
Oh, I have it. I can purchase it.
You have a lot of drones, just saying.
Double your hearing, but it's applied over time. What?
We look awesome, dude.
Where's he at? Oh, that's big boy. Okay.
Nice.
Alright, what does he drop? Ow! Don't take two of them. Did you take two of them? Oh,
No.
there it is. I thought you took both of it.
We're on very hard, by the way.
Oh boy.
Alright, Nate, you ready to die? Oh,
Oh,
look,
no,
we're in
trust me.
Doom.
We haven't seen nothing yet, by the way. Nope, nope. Kevin, run. Always jump.
What?
Just Snake Man, Snake Man.
What's going on? I'm confused. Oh,
Just
dang, I
look
didn't
up.
see him.
Don't know.
Dude, where are all the enemies at? I thought this was very hard mode. What happened?
Um, please don't say stuff that you're gonna make us regret later. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it now. Game, I'm not the one who's saying it. It's this man over here.
uh,
So if you want to torture someone, torture him. Don't touch me.
what is this?
I'm very innocent.
What is this thing?
Ooh.
I don't know. I found something useless.
Oh,
It looks
I found
interactable, but
I found something really good. Basically, what my new ability does, I have a chance of respawning them as a ghost
oh, that's actually really good.
and make them
Wait,
fight on our side.
Jesus Christ, Nate, what is going on?
Help! 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 Okay, fine. All right.
We look the same.
All right.
All right, where you at, buddy?
Oh, it's these guys.
Yeah, we got
Oh
him.
boy! All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. As soon as this pops, we need to head out.
Let's
This is starting
go.
to get a little bit of headache. Oh, what's
it's a
that?
portal.
Portal. You know what? Not gonna worry about it. Oh. Oh, we have 0 monies. Deja vu? Loop back to first stage.
Ooh.
Oh, we're back. This is new.
Ooh, I see dragons.
Oh my god. Wait, what do you see? Wait, what do you mean dragon?
Some dragons.
What? Where? Where are you? Where are they at?
They're in the distance. You're able to kill them.
Oh, those things. Where is it? Where's the jellyfish? Where he be?
Where
I
is he?
can't see him.
Oh,
What? Apparently we're damaging him.
cool.
Wait, is that him? Hey Kevin, you deal with the boss. I'll deal with the ads.
Sure.
Ow, ow. Ow. Alright. Teleporter time.
Alrighty. There's like nothing there. Ooh, a big giant hole. It would suck if someone fell in it.
Shrine of Blood? Sure.
You gave him your blood.
Yeah.
Should I give him mine?
I don't know.
93 HP, dude.
Wait, what? Nope.
I'll do it then.
No, don't wait. Don't wait. Wait. Hang on. My chance of survival is way higher.
Then do it.
Okay.
Offer it.
Run
Is it
away!
100? Bro, you see the difficulty?
Oh yep, I'm coming for you. Next up is gonna be ha 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 ha. Yeah.
Can't
By
wait to see
get
who
ready
it
to-
is.
By the way, get ready for a fun time once ha 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 starts. How about Kevin? This is whenever the game starts getting interesting. Killed 15 boss monsters in one run. Kevin, we're doing pretty good this run.
Yep.
I'm not gonna lie, this is an actually good lucky run. And God, your little drone dude scares me. The one that now has your teleport ability,
Oh, yeah.
he scares me every time I see him. And I'm like not expecting him, so whenever I see something floating around near me, okay, let's see how bad next round is.
Oh, God, it's
wait,
still
say it
saying that.
again.
It's still saying ha.
Oh yeah, this is the last stage of difficulty. It doesn't get higher than this. And bosses will start spawning as regulars, like how I'm fighting a mini boss basically. Alright, here comes boss.
Alrighty, where is he?
Oh, he's right on me.
Well, good luck.
Alright, I'm gonna go for the egg. Uh oh, that was a bad idea for me.
They're pulling me in.
Uh oh. I'm getting out. I'm getting
They
out.
fell off and died. Dude, they fell off the edge and died.
On your screen?
Yeah. Yeah, it's like 3 bosses, I think.
Oh, that makes sense why it's so hard. Oh God.
This place is
Yes.
awesome. There's a sci-fi boss.
Um, I'm
What is this dude?
not. Whoa! I see what you're talking about now. I was over here fighting burbs while you were over there fighting a boss. Hey Kevin, you ready for a very hard challenge?
Hold up, not yet.
Good. I hope you are.
Not yet.
Um, well, you see, kind of too late for that. I kind of summoned bosses because you said the game was too easy.
What'd you do?
I summoned bosses
Oh,
because you said the game was too easy. All right. You're dead. A blue orb. Where? Oh, I found the teleporter. Oh, you still have your egg.
yep.
Oh,
What is that?
we killed too many burbs. Kevin, run if you need to. I'll stall.
Yeah. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. Did I just die?
Did you?
I just
Oh,
died, bro.
no. No! Well, I'll try to live. The only way for me to bring you back is if I activate this and win against the teleporter boss and get to the next area. That's the only way for me to revive you. Oh. Oh.
Nate, run.
Oh.
And that was fun.
That is fun. Yeah, I want to look at your stuff.
Yeah, how good you do.
Look at all the items I had, Gertie. Well, technically,
I know.
yeah, yeah.
You had way more. Dang, that was pretty good. Pretty good.
Yeah, it was.
Enjoyed it. You should play more.